Hey guys, how are you? Today I got some in the mail and I got 4 packages in. So let's open them up and see what they are. I'm gonna open up the small one first. I need my scissors. My handy dandy scissors, which is right here. Yesterday was so cold, we did not even get any. Looks like I cut some of it. Oh, yay! This is the one I wanted. Kimberly sent me this one, actually. It is, Choose Your Own Path. It's Pocahontas. I didn't write this one in my book because this one, she gave to me. And this one's by Home Fun. And here's your tray and your bags and stuff. I'm gonna do what I did on Monday, which was do 2 parts. One with me showing you all of them, and then now the truck deliver them, obviously, because there's a knock on the door, and we haven't gotten our mail yet today, so I'm hoping I get more with the mailman. So let's open this beauty up. Yesterday was so cold, there was no mail here. Oh, wow, she's good. This is a 25 by 25. And trying to get there we go. So that is Pocahontas. She looks really good. It's hard to see the wording on this one, but you can really see her up close. And look at the drill fill too. Nice, clean, no puckers, no bubbles I'm seeing. So sweet. Thank you, Kimberly, again for sending me this one. I really wanted it. Here's the bottom. It's supposed to say choose your own path on it, but yeah. Awesome, thank you, Kimberly. So there's that one. Let's open up this one. Come on. There we go. Oh, yay! Finally! I've been wanting this one. Okay, so there's 2 in here. Oops, I dropped the tools. There's another one in here. That's My bed's still from Monday, so ignore that if you see that. Okay, so I ordered Albus Dumbledore. These two I know I did in my book. And I did get the wrong Beauty and the Beast one too, because I did not order that one through Winter Sale. I ordered it before Winter Sale. But anywho, okay, so this is Mrs. Potts and Chip. This was $3.62. It shipped December 29th and arrived. Today is January. Oh, today's Thursday. January 31st, 2019. So it literally took a month and 2 days to get here. So that's not too bad. Same with this one. Arrive. And this one, the Harry Potter Albus Dumbledore one, I got him in a 20 by 30, and it shipped the same day, December 29th, and today is January 31st, 2019. So it took a month and a couple of days to get here. So I'm going to put the beads aside. So far, I got 3. I don't know how many's in those packages. So I don't know. I know after this I'm going to finish my cat one. I only got 3 colors left on it. I was going to try and finish it yesterday, but I couldn't. I was just too exhausted to try and finish it. Put that there. Let's look at Mrs. Potts and Chip. This one, I think I said it was from Home Fun, and it is all these kits around, by the way. Oh, wow, I chose a good size. Look at this. You can see this one, like if you get this one, and you don't know what size to get for it, this is the perfect size, like literally. Oh, brother. I'm gonna flatten out this one here, just for a little bit. Like, look at that. I got it in a small because when they were close up where it would work for a small one. So I'm gonna zoom in and show you the, like, you can see Chip in really well. This has got to be one of my favorite ones that I got from Home Fun ever. Well, not true, but you know. So you can see the numbers clearly. And Chip is a 20 color. And Albus Dumbledore is 25. So, yeah. This one looks super good. I'm impressed with this one completely. So, yep, there's Mrs. Potts and Chip. Now, let's see Albus Dumbledore here. Let's see how well this one is. Ooh. This one turned out really good too. This was my favorite picture that I seen, or one of my favorite pictures. This is my second Harry Potter one that I've ever gotten. And like from far distance, you can really see Albus Dumbledore and Fox's. Zoom in, like look at that red on him. Very pretty. And you can see Dumbledore's face, like, perfect. Wow. This is so awesome. Good thing I didn't start singing that song. I was gonna, but I decided not to. There's the bottom half of him, his rope and such. So yeah, there's Dumbledore. Now this one, I think I know what this one is, but I could be wrong. I'm hoping. Like that. Oh, okay. This is one of the ones I got. That's the picture on it. And this, you get your bags, your wax, and stuff. This is what I've seen on Who Can, but since I am not a fan of squares, I was so happy that Home Fun has got it, and yeah, and this one is a 28 color. 28 colors. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think I know what's in the bigger one. I think it's my 30 by 40. This is a 30 by 20. Okay, there we go. It's a purple girl on her. If you want to know, this is the picture. Well, you can see the wings, you can see the girl, and you can definitely see the horse. Now, if you hold it back enough, you can clearly see it, but I probably should have gotten this one in a little bit bigger size, but that's okay. I think it'll still turn out good. And you can see her owl. There's an owl. Or, no, it's just her horse. Okay, never mind. So, yeah, I think this one will turn out good either way. I'll flatten this more so this part can just, you know, so you can do that. Okay, save the biggest for last. I think I know what this one is. Oh, that one no. I didn't have to. Okay. Yeah, I knew what this one was. So here's your tools. Again. This is the Princess Hair. I've been waiting this one for quite some time now. So, Princess Hair. Oops. Little Nelly. Come on. Would you... There we go. No. Why are you doing that? Ugh, why? Hang on a second here. It keeps turning and I don't want it to. Oh, okay, I know why. Shoot. Ugh, hang on a second. And that's why. Just sort of twist this one back on. Okay, not good. Hang on a second, I'm just gonna put it down just for a second here while I fix this. Yay! There we go. Sorry about that. If you don't like that, you can just skip to 18 minutes and 25 seconds. So, anyways, Princess Hair. Where did I? Did I not write it down? Okay, I guess not. Well, at least you know what the picture is. Come on. Off. I need you to come off. Thank you. I'm gonna have to empty out my garbage later. So, I've been seeing a lot of pictures done of this one, and I liked how it turned out. So, I know some of them, I've seen like one like in a 60 by 60, so it's like, okay, that's a really big. Wow, you can really see this one. Okay. So this is what they call princess hair. Wow, you can totally see that just fine, you know. This is a perfect size because, you know, wow. I'm so glad I got this one. As you can totally see Ariel, Rapunzel, or Tangled, which is still practically the same thing. Rapunzel let down your hair or whatever, and how it goes. And there's Belle, Tiana, Anna, Snow White, Elsa, Merida, Mulan, Cinderella, Pocahontas, Aurora, and Jasmine, I believe. Yeah, Jasmine's here. So, yeah, I am very impressed with all the ones that I got today. I'm just gonna... There we go. Oops. So I'm gonna show you... I'm like, I know you've already seen the bottom, but... There it is again. So... I'm just gonna zoom in. I forgot to show you the drill fill. So, yep. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll be back with part 2 very soon. Bye, guys.